Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Mastika Pitara. Today I'm making my favorite food, my favorite snack, sandwich. Before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's get started. For sandwich, we need brown bread. I'm not cutting this because of I love it. We need the mayonnaise. We need the knife. We need the cucumber. We need the onion. We need the tomato. First we spread mayonnaise. With a knife, we'll spread the mayonnaise. Next, we add our topping. I don't want to add. If you like, then you can cook it and then eat. I am cooked it. Otherwise, you can eat as it is. I take my mother's help to cook it. Kids, don't do it by yourself because it's dangerous. Stay away from fire. Take your parents' help. I will come back once it's cooked. The cooked sandwich is ready. I shared this recipe with you because I learned from my mother recently.